Wow. Okay. I am lost. I am lost. This does not look like the way to the Avengers Tower. Where the heck am I? Hello? 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 Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Anybody here? The hell am I? Oh, come on, seriously. Where the hell am I? I'm freaking lost. Cap? Cap? Logan? Ant-Man? Hulk? Thor? Panther? Hawk of the Eye? Mr. Hawkeye? Mr. Eye Hawk? Oh boy. Hulk smash? Hulk? Hulk? Cap? Captain? Captain? America, Captain! Captain Britain? Hip hip trail spotted tea? Hey! Logan! Logan! Logan, I'm touching your bike! I'm touching your bike! I think it's broken. I think I broke it. Tore off a handlebar. Man, oh, it's coming. Avengers assemble! Man, it doesn't work for me. I'm gonna go this way, see if I can find anyone.
Burn Royal.
Peter? Peter? Peter, where are you? Peter? Peter? I told that boy to meet me here. Spider-Man. Oh. Peter. Peter? Spider-Man, where are you? Ah, boy. I think I gave him the wrong instructions. Where are you? Peter. Woohoo! Spider-Man. Oh, this will get him. Hey, Peter. Gwen's at the base. Gwen! Whoa, here he comes. Here he comes. Hold on, be right there, Cap. Alrighty. Otis, lay right here. And waiting. Ooh-ah! Oh, there you are, Cap. Hey. So, sorry for getting here early or late. You got here a little early, didn't you? Yep, couldn't find anyone. I thought it was lost. I couldn't find the tower anywhere. Well, I can tell you for sure. The tower's not here. I kind of figured. Boy. I'm not gonna make a good adventure. No, don't say that. You'll make a fine adventure. I hope so. So that way? Yep. I can't go that way. Hold on, wait for me. I'm coming.